Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to log into TJmaxx Credit Card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log in and access your TJmaxx Credit Card online, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in tjx.syf.com and press enter on your keyboard. Your TJmaxx Credit Card is issued by Synchrony Bank. So go ahead and enter your Synchrony Bank account's credential in the left-hand side of the screen. Type in your user ID associated with your bank account and head over to the password field and type in your password. Once you have the correct credential for your account, you can quickly log in by clicking the secure login button. But in case you've forgotten your user ID or your password, click on I forgot my user ID or password link and follow through the on-screen prompts. If you'd like the system to remember your user ID in this particular device, click Remember User ID box. Leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. Finally, click Secure Login in order to access your credit card account for TJmaxx. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorials like this. Stay tuned till then.